Class 10 Trigonometry. I will solve some questions of trigonometry. So you can see here the first question, that is to prove that so 1 upon sec theta minus 1 and minus 1 upon sec theta plus 1 is equal to 2 cot square theta. So this is your question, today your first question. Now come to the take left hand side. So 1 upon sec theta minus 1 minus 1 upon sec theta plus 1. Taking their LCM, LCM is sec theta minus 1 and sec theta plus 1. It is sec theta minus 1 and sec theta plus 1. So here is sec theta plus 1 minus, it is sec theta minus 1. So what will be happen in this? Now open the bracket. So it is sec theta plus 1 minus sec theta plus 1. After open the bracket, all the sign will be changed. So it is a plus b and a minus b. So you have to know a plus b and a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now convert this sec theta whole square minus 1 whole square. So sec theta and sec theta will be cancelled out. So we get 1 plus 1, that is 2, and here is sec square theta minus 1. As you know, 1 plus tan square theta, that is sec square theta. So you can put the value. So we get 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta minus 1, 1 or 1 will be cancelled out. So we get 2 upon tan square theta. As you know, 1 upon tan theta, that is cot theta. That means it is 2 cot square theta, and that is the right hand side, hence proved. Now come to the second question, today your second question. To prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. How can prove this? So take this left hand side, it is sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So what will be happen? Sec square theta, as you know, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or you can say cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now put the value sec theta, that is the 1 upon cos square theta, and cosec theta, that is 1 upon sin square theta. What will be happen? Taking their LCM, LCM is cos square theta into sin square theta. Sin square theta here and cos square theta here. So it will become sin square theta plus cos square theta. As you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. So put the value of this one. So we can say 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. What will be happen here? So you can separate them. It is 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon sin square theta. 1 upon cos square theta, that is the sec square theta, and it is your cosec square theta. So that is the right hand side. So that is right hand side of this question and hence proved. Now come to the third question. Today I will start your third question. So what will be happen in third question? You can see here, it is your third question. Under root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, that is cosec theta minus cot theta. So taking their left hand side, what will be happen? It is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now do the square root, large square root, and take 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This sign is reversing, that is, if it is positive then takes negative, if it is negative then takes positive, and multiply both numerator and denominator. So 1 minus cos theta, and here is 1 minus cos theta. So what will be happen in this? It is above part is 1 minus cos theta whole square, and the lower part it is the formula, that is a plus b, and a minus b becomes a square minus b square. So what will be happen in this? So it is 1 square, so we can say 1 square, that is 1, and minus cos square theta. As you know, 1 minus cos square theta, that is the sin square theta. So you can take here, it is 1 minus cos theta whole square and divided by sin square theta. Now square root and square both are cancelled out to each other. So what will be happen? So we can say it is 1 minus cos theta upon only sin theta. Square and square both are cancelled out with this square root. Now separate them, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. So as you know, 1 upon sin theta, it is cosec theta, and cos theta upon sin theta, that is cot theta. So this is your cosec theta minus cot theta, and that is the right hand side of the question and hence proved. So today your third question is going on. Now next question I will start. Next question is this: prove that 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, it will be equal to 4 cot theta. It is 4 cot theta into cosec theta. So that is your question. Take this left hand side. So what will be happen? 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, and minus 1 minus cos theta, and here is 1 plus cos theta. So taking their LCM, as you know, LCM is 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos of theta. So this will be multiplied here and this will multiply here. So we get 1 plus cos theta whole square minus 1 minus cos theta whole square. So as you know, a plus b, and a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square, and vice versa. So what will be happen? Now we can open the formula. It is 1 plus 1 square 1, that is the cos square theta. It is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So cos square theta plus 2 into 1 into cos theta. Similarly, you can do this one also. It is a minus b whole square. So as you know, a minus b whole square, that means it is a square plus b square minus of 2ab. So now we can put 1 square plus cos square theta minus 2 into 1 into cos of theta. Now in the downwards, that is the denominator, it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. Now what will be happen in this? So it is open the bracket first. So 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. This minus becomes positive with the help of this negative sign. So it is plus 2 cos theta and divided by, as you know, 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta. So we can put here it is sin square theta. Now 1 will be cancelled out to each other, and cos square theta is also cancelled out to each other. 2 cos theta this one and 2 cos theta this one, so it becomes 4 cos theta and upon sin theta. As you know, cos theta upon sin theta, that is the cot theta. So we can write here 4 cot theta, and that is right hand side of the question, and hence proved. Now come to the next question. The next question is this: prove that sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta equal to 2 cosec theta. 2 cosec theta. So what will be happen in this? Taking left hand side. So left hand side is sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta and plus 1 plus cos theta and upon sin theta. So what will be happen in this? Taking their LCM. LCM is 1 plus cos theta and sin theta. Sin theta, this sin theta is multiplied to this, it becomes sin square theta, and plus it is 1 plus cos theta whole square. It is cos theta whole square. Now open the bracket. It is sin square theta plus, as you know, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now using this formula, so we get 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 into 1 into cos of theta. Now in downwards, there is only sin theta and 1 plus cos theta. Now this sin theta and cos square theta take at one place. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1 plus 2 cos of theta, and here is sin theta and 1 plus cos theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. So now put the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it becomes 1, फिर plus 1, value of this one. So plus 2 cos of theta, and here is sin theta, and 1 plus cos theta. As you know, 1 plus 1, that is the 2. So 2 plus 2 cos theta upon sin theta, and here is 1 plus cos theta. Now taking 2 as a common, so 2 common, so 1 plus cos theta and upon sin theta into 1 plus cos of theta. 1 plus cos theta cancel to 1 plus cos theta, we get only 2 upon sin theta. So here is 2 upon sin theta. As you know, 1 upon sin theta, that is cosec theta. So it becomes 2 cosec theta. That is your right hand side. So hence proved. Now come to the next question. In the next question, you can see if cos theta minus sin theta is equal to under root 2 sin theta, then prove that. What prove that? Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to under root 2 of cos theta. Now taking first this one, so it is your cos theta minus sin theta is equal to under root 2 of sin theta. Now transfer to sin theta right hand side, so we get cos theta is equal to under root 2 sin theta and plus sin theta. Taking sin theta as a common, so cos theta is equal to under root 2 plus 1, and here is sin theta. Now find the value of sin theta. So sin theta is equal to, that means cos theta upon under root 2 plus 1. Now multiply by conjugate factor, that is the 4 rationalization, under root 2 minus 1, and here is under root 2 minus 1. So as you know, a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So what will be happen in this? Sin theta is equal to cos theta and under root 2 minus 1, and here is under root 2 whole square minus 1 whole square. So in that case, multiply inside, it is under root 2 cos theta and minus cos theta, and here is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So we can put here 2 minus 1 as a 1. So sin theta here. So sin theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta and minus cos theta divided by 1. 1 की कोई महत्ता नहीं रहती है, so we can leave it. So sin theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta and minus cos theta. Now this cos theta transfer to left hand side, so it becomes sin theta plus cos theta is equal to under root 2 of cos theta. That is proved. Hence proved this one. So these are the very easy questions, so you can do very well. Now come to the next question. What will be happen in next question? Next question is if tan theta is equal to n tan phi and sin theta is equal to m sin phi. Then prove that. What will be proved? That cos square theta is equal to m square minus 1 upon n square minus 1. That is the important question. So first of all, we can take both the equation. So it is tan theta is equal to n tan phi. Now change tan phi here, this tan theta here. So we get 1 upon tan phi is equal to n upon tan theta. So here it is cot phi, that is n cot theta. And in the second case, this one is sin theta. Similarly, we can do this. It is m sin phi. So change here, 1 upon sin phi is equal to m upon sin theta. So what will be happen? It is cosec phi is equal to m cosec theta. Now we want to remove the phi. So we know that that is the cosec square phi minus cot square phi is equal to 1. Now put the value of cosec phi and the cot phi. Cosec phi is m cosec theta, so you can write here m cosec theta. It is whole square and minus cot phi, that is the n cot theta, so n cot theta and whole square. That is 1 here. So now it is m square, and that is cosec square theta minus n square and cot square theta is equal to 1. Now change into sin theta. So m square into 1 upon sin square theta and minus n square cot square, that is cos upon theta. So it is cos square theta upon sin square theta, that is 1. Now taking the LCM, as you know, it is sin square theta, and here is m square minus n square cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta multiplied to the right hand side. So we get m square minus n square cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. As you know, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So it is m square minus n square cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now transfer to cos square theta one side. So it is this cos square theta transfer to left hand side. So it becomes cos square theta minus n square cos square theta is equal to, here is 1 minus m square. Now cos square theta is common out, so 1 minus n square is equal to 1 minus m square. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus m square upon 1 minus n square. Otherwise you can change in negative sign, negative as a common, so we get m square minus 1, and negative here is common, so n square minus 1. So minus minus will be cancelled out. So we get cos square theta is equal to m square minus 1 upon n square minus 1. Hence proved. These questions are very important questions, so you can do the practice on these questions. Now come to the next question. What will this next question? Today your question is, if x is equal to a cosec theta and y is equal to b cot theta, then prove that. What will be prove that? That is the x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now what will be happen in this? So you can see here, as you know, a x equal to a cosec theta and y is equal to b cot theta. Taking left hand side of this part, so left hand side is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square. Now put the value of x and y. X is a cosec theta whole square, and here is a square, minus y is b cot theta, so you can write here b cot theta whole square and upon b square. So what will be happen in this? It is a square cosec square theta upon a square minus b square cot square theta upon b square. So b square will be cancelled out, a square and a square will be cancelled out. So we get cosec square theta minus cot square theta. As you know, cosec square theta, that is the 1 plus cot square theta. The formula is this: cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So you can put here, it is 1 plus cot square theta minus cot square theta. This cot square theta and cot square theta will be cancelled out. We get 1, and that is your right hand side of the question, and hence proved. Now come to the next question, and this question is, if x is equal to r sine of a cos c and y is equal to r sine a sine c and z is equal to r cos a, then prove that. What prove that? It is r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Now taking the right hand side RHS of this above question. Above question is right hand side, that is, you know, that is the x square plus y square plus z square. Put the value of x and y and z in all the terms. X is, as you know, r sine of a cos of c whole square, and plus y is, it is r sine a and sine of c and whole square, and z1 is, that is the r cos of a and whole square. Now open this bracket, it is r square sine square of a and cos square c plus r square sine square a sine square c and plus r square cos square a. Here is r squares is common, and also sine square a common. So we can common here r square and sine square a. We get cos square c plus sin square c and plus r square cos square a. What will be happen? So sin square a, that is, no, as you know, it is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. So you can write here 1 and plus r square cos square a. Now r square is a common in both terms, so r square is common, so we get sin square a plus cos square a. As you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we get r square into 1, and that is the r square only. So that becomes r square, and that is the right hand side of the question, and hence proved. Now I want to make a table to learn for next exercise. How can find the table? This one I will show you in your next exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day. मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.